So this is the Kailashnathar Temple of Kanchipuram, and you can see here it is not maintained by Tamil Nadu government. Not any single stone of this temple. Such a beautiful temple. It is one of the oldest temple in the Kanchipuram, but still not maintained by this government or this temple authority. Don't know what is happening in Kanchipuram. Everything is not like the as usual. Means just like old days. Just you can see. Those who are giving votes to DMK and all that party, just before giving vote, just come to these temples and just see what is happening here and what does you should do. If you are Hindu, okay. If you are not Hindu, then you not need to be think about it. See, it can be maintained, okay. Everything can be maintained. I don't think it will be remain after 50 years. Means for our coming generation, what we are giving going to give them just rocks, right? Oh, just you can see here. Still there is painting. The colors are still remain here. This is remain because the water are not coming. Oh, this is Bhagwati Amma. See, we also same the color still it has.